Hi everyone. This is officially my first video, I would say, because I have always been thinking of connecting with the larger set of audience, or maybe a medium where I can just share my thoughts about different subjects. I don't know how many people will be able to relate to this, but these are certain things which I firmly believe in, and these are theories and these are concepts which are not something which I've read somewhere from or somebody's told me. It is my own way of evaluating and understanding life and the creation of God, how God is trying to manage this world and who we are actually. So let's put it like this, that maybe we are some toys and we we are there in a game, and probably God is playing the game, because that's something which everybody understands in the current context. So now let's talk about one thing today, which I think is a subject which everybody is talking about these days, right? And it is about spirituality. It's about meditating. So, in my way of looking at things, I think spirituality is is connecting with God, where you speak with your God in some shape and form, and meditation is the way you get there, right? And I think meditation, in a very uh, concised way, how it can be explained is how you can concentrate, right? How effectively can you concentrate to be able to read what is around you, right? For example, if you look at a picture, right? Sometimes you just look at the colors and you talk about it. Sometimes you look at various details of the pictures, and based on how everybody looks at the picture, it's different, right? Because your focus is different. So I think spirituality is necessary, and to be able to live peaceful life, and everybody has certain amount of uh, connection that is always there with God. We may realize it or not realize it, and I think we'll not speak too much about it today. The only thing which I want to express is that, you know, you might not be knowing, but you are connected to your God every day. And God has created the system because He did not trust us with a couple of things, because He did know that we will default based on our intelligence. And you'll see that people who are good at that one thing, doing that one thing every day, they live a much peaceful life than anybody else in the world, or the counterparts who are not doing that thing or not able to do that thing very well. That one thing which recharges us and connects us to our God is that sleep time which we have every day, because we don't know where we are, I think. And what God has done is that because your body needs recharge, it needs rest, so does your soul and mind. So God has created this system of putting a human being to sleep so that he can connect with him then and recharge the soul of that individual. for him to be able to continue the next day. That's, of course, is my understanding. I don't know whether somebody said that before or not said that before, uh, have understood it like this or not. But if you happen to listen to my thoughts and you think that you resonate with what I say, please acknowledge. That's my reward. Thank you so much. Until we meet again and talk about the same subject and maybe in a different way. Thank you.